Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people have been asking me about recently. Can you use Venmo if you have PayPal? I know that Venmo and PayPal are both popular payment apps, so it's natural to wonder if they can be used together. The good news is that the answer is yes. You can use Venmo and PayPal interchangeably. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Venmo and PayPal accounts, and I'll also discuss some of the benefits of using both apps. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to send or receive money quickly? Maybe you were splitting a bill with friends, or maybe you needed to pay for something online. If so, then you know how important it is to have a reliable payment app. Venmo and PayPal are two of the most popular payment apps on the market. They both offer a variety of features, including the ability to send and receive money, pay bills, and even shop online. If you're not sure which app to use, I recommend using both. Venmo and PayPal are both great options, and they can be used together to make your life easier. How to link your Venmo and PayPal accounts. Linking your Venmo and PayPal accounts is easy. Here's what you need to do. Open the Venmo app. Tap on the Settings tab. Select Linked Accounts. Tap on Add Account. Select PayPal. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Tap on Link. Once your accounts are linked, you can use either app to send and receive money. Benefits of using Venmo and PayPal together. There are a number of benefits to using Venmo and PayPal together. Here are a few of the most important. Convenience. You can use either app to send and receive money, so you don't have to worry about keeping track of multiple accounts. Security. Both Venmo and PayPal offer strong security features, so you can be sure that your money is safe. Flexibility. Venmo and PayPal offer a variety of features, so you can use them for a variety of purposes. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about how to use Venmo and PayPal together. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.